Good morning, everyone. So I have here prepared a picture. So I want you to look at it and think critically and analyze the picture. Where I will pick two random students na answer sa inyong analysis kabahin sa picture na given. Ready? Okay.
Sobrang linya na tanong sa baba.
Learning space itself through sa pwede siya school as community kay school pwede siyang ma-call as a community. Okay, thank you, Cyrus. So I will pick another one. Thank you, Michelle. So, the picture states that community, child, and the family works together to achieve on one goal and to support the school. So that is what the picture implies. So our topic for today is about the school as a community. So it is under now Unit 2, School as a Social System. So nahina po din siya kamuan because it po sa C, which is the school as a community. So this will be our at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to define the concept of school as a community, including its elements and relationship with the larger community. For skills, create a visual representation or graphic organizer to illustrate the connections between school members and their rules. And for the last one is the appreciate the importance of school and community relations. So these are the following words that you will encounter during our discussion, which is the school, community, and school culture. So this word is not new to you, diba? So I hope you can answer my question. So for you, what is a school? So I will pick another. Okay, very good, Venus. So the school is the one responsible shaping the children or the students to become a globally competitive in the future to apply katong ilang mga nakatunan sa school in the Realia. So community on the other hand is a group of people living together in one place, sharing a common characteristic which link them all irrespective of locality, interests, passions, needs, beliefs, and occupation. So we all know na community is kanang they share beliefs and kanang kung ano kanang mga needs and expectations because naa sila sa usa ka lugar and they are all connected to each other. So what school culture is, it refers to the beliefs, perceptions, relationship, and attitudes and written and unwritten rules that shape and influence every aspect of how a school functions. So, written rules is, for example, sa school, let's put it sa kanang context sa school. So, ang written rules kay diri sa nurse. So, for example, so we have written rules nga mag-uniform ta every day. So, muti ato ang written rules. And also, kanang wear ID kay dili pasudlon sa guard if walay ID. Ang example sa unwritten rules kay, for example, kanang bawal kulutaw mo agi diri sa ground kay it's because we have pathways to kanang moagi ta. So let's go to the how our schools communities in a community. So there are members of the school and there is also members of the community. So can you please read the members of the school? Eten?
The member of the school is teachers, students, administrators, and teaching staff, parents, LGUs, and other stakeholders.
So for you, why is parents involved sa member of the school? So I will kuan atong sa ang pamunta na kay nganong na-appeal ko ganang parents sa members of the school. Nasabot lang sa mga.
Yes.
Sayaw sa tay.
Of course, the parents is included in the member of the school because the parents is the one who is support their children to go to school and also give financial support and all.
Yes, thank you so much, Angkas. So, that's parents are also members of the school because parents is also responsible na to give ilang support sa school and so if na members sa schools, now we members of the community. So these are the LGUs or the local government units and the non-government agencies and civic organizations and residents. So makuha mo ang LGUs is actually kanang sa mga dira sa munisipyo, the SWD. So muna siya example sa mga LGUs. So ang non-government agencies is actually kanang mga sana sila kanang non-profit entities that operate independently of any governmental influence. So, ang government, walay gamo sa non-government agencies. That is why it's called non-government. So, ang example ani is katong Rafi, katong Red Cross. So, muna siya example sa mga non-government government agencies. So, let's go now to the school-community relationship. So, can you please read it, everyone?
Members of the school will be members of their local community reflecting its beliefs and values, conveyed through the action, behavior, and attitudes of pupils, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, governors, and community or local educational agencies. The connection between the school and community is not static but develops and will continue.
So, and its community is always evolving. So it also reflects the school values, but also adapt to change in needs and technology. So si school, as we kanang evolve as a community, si school pod mo evolve po siya tiyaha. So for example is kanang karon naa tayo mga TVs and other kanang technologies. It's because we keep on evolving. So the connection between the school and the community is not static but develops a continuum. So ang school is always siyang mag-continue and continue. So there are three possible patterns of connection between the school and the community as described in the educational literature. So can you please read the three possible patterns? Sunshine.
The three possible patterns of connection between the school and community. First is the closed door pattern, the open door pattern, the balance pattern.
Okay. So those are the three possible patterns of connection between the school and the community. So let's go to the first one, the closed door pattern. So I will pick another one to give their opinion on what is the closed door pattern.
Parade sometimes.
The closed door pattern pertains to minimal community involvement of the one. Basically, the closed door pattern focuses on the school itself. The school is an institution where it handles all the decision making as well as how they treat the school society or institution. So wala siya community involvement because ang policies nila are solely made within the school region. Wala yung intervention between the community and other stakeholders involved sa decision making.
Yes, Christian is right. So closed door pattern is ang connection sa community is not actually established. So for example, is kanang sa school kuno for the sa teacher. So the teacher will give an assignment na magamit og internet. So without knowing kung sa na sa community which is kanang walay internet connection, so maglisod si bata og answer. It's because walay internet connection. So wala may sa connection si school og si community. So magkuan siya kanang dili kabalo si school nga wala type internet connection. So ang mahitabo ato the child kanang kuan atong assignment nga gihatag. So that is the closed door pattern. So kung kasi closed door pattern, kuan siya dili siya mo-communicate sa community. The open door pattern naman is kanang the school and the parents operate as open system. It also makes the parents be partner to their child's educational process and strives to become an influential factor in the life of the community. So according to Fredman 1986, the school with an open door policy receives pupils from the parents teaches them and raises their level of education in order to learn back to their community. So there is also a shared commitment in the open door pattern. There is also a healthy exchange of ideas between the school and the community. So an example of this is kanang sa mga program kuno. So the school, kanang si school, mo-communicate siya sa community which is the parents na program ng kabuhaton. So ang parents mo sa school and makipag-communicate siya sa school. So that is the open door pattern. So can you give more explanation about the open door pattern?
Ang close door pattern, wala
gap and reach out to the community. When the distance is small, the school has to close its gates somewhat. So can you please give your idea on this? Labrador. So for me, when the distance is large and the school has to reach the community. Reach out to the community. So sa akong opinion is based sa kung sa interview namin sa Malo High School is yung mga principal na the school, hindi po work ang school is wala yung parental involvement. Like, parents is sila ginagawa ng sa sila sa mga taguga ng support sa dili lang sa ilang child or sa ilang children but sa eskwelahan. Then, of course, ang parents is bilang mo na sila sa community which is only nagaan o paan sa school. Yes, very good. So that is the balance pattern. So I have a question. So what are some ways that parents and communities can be more involved in schools? Again, what are some ways that parents and communities can be more involved in schools? Please raise your hand. Michelle.
Try ko, katong sa Brigada Eskwela, di ba, kay if walay ang parents man jud, especially sa elementary, di ba, parents man jud ang mo kuan pagtrabahoon, ay anang mo kuan
Tabang.
Brigada Eskwela, ay Brigada mo trabaho ka.
Tabang.
Then another example po is kanang sa kuan feeding program sa kuan kuno kay sa room sa school. Kay ang kuan ang parents biya mo magluto para magpag sila ang mga students. So,
Yes, very good, Michelle. So, anang parents, or the communities can be more involved in schools by helping the school itself. Christian.
Other than the parents, that man, an important stakeholder as well is kanang SK. So, in other barangays, program sa SK is libreng paprint especially sa mga students para di na sila makasal ng magbayad-bayad. So, sa awa is nga na siya na ang mga students, basta may na sa barangay ng mga co-educational processes, is libre din ang printing para wala din na makasal ng printing expenses ng mga barangay. Para sa mga hindi pag-iklongsan ng paprint, so lutang, gas, utility, o mga paprint. So that's an example of community involvement as well. It's about giving back to the community in the SK,
Yes, very good.
Ingana po sa Mantayok Chu.
So, now let's go to the school community partnership. So, dili na kasunod kung dito ni Michelle kaganina, which is the Brigada Eskwela. So, we are all familiar kung sa ang Brigada Eskwela, no?
Yes!
Kung buhaton kung mag-Brigada Eskwela.
Manglimpyo! Mubayad o kwarta.
Yes, very good. So, Brigada Eskwela is being implemented by the school before the school starts para kanang makuha ng mga students nga magkuhan sila kanang eskwela sila nga liblyo ang palibot or the environment.
So, Kana, the class is open for clarifications or questions to the reporter. So, the timer starts now. Sige, basig na may ikalibugan since ang reporter is wala niya na-discuss tanan.
Okay, you may
Sige.
raise your hand as well as your questions.
Go.
Sige, any questions or clarifications? Eh, wala man yung pantanan. Right,
Ganun po makadong sa example sa youth development and community.
ang youth,
additional, other than SK, one point, kanang school camporal o youth camp as well is part of the development. Because we try to immerse students with one civic participation, social involvement, and then specifically sa youth camp, nakasya youth development is because we are taught primarily about survival skills. And then survival skills, palitan na kayo disasters or risks, palay lang, na mahitungkol sa community, then pwedeng action ang mga youth kay kuan nakaagi sila ani sa kuan growing of fun camping na so it's one part of youth development initiative.
Questions? Sige, actually, wala siya. Sige, joke.
Kami sana dyan.
Sige, another while waiting for Miss Chu.
Sige.
Sige na. Si Bernadette.
Si Kwan daw.
Sige.
Ay, mga question ka, Bern? Ikaw, dyan. What happens
Ay, no,
when
nine-
school and communities don't work together? So,
Ha?
dili mag-work one-on-one so may ano dyan? What happens when school and communities don't work together? So, if dili sila mag-work together, there is a possible na katong giingon ako kaganiha, katong closed door pattern. So, if there is a closed door pattern, ang parents or ang community and school, dili sila makaibalo. O kung sa'yo nakitabo sa community, while ang community, di ko sila makaibalo kung sa'yo nakitabo sa school. Kaya dami, kuhan nila, barrier nilang tuwa. So, maglisod sila o communicate to each other, which is ang maapitahan is ang bata. Any questions?
May raise si Kuan, Michelle.
Michelle.
What are some effective ways schools can engage with the local community?
Katong po katong giingon ay katong sana. Halang for example is katong sa first year tama sa atong sa NSTP nato. So we are required to teach kanang mga bata. So that is also one of the kanang ways na communicate sa mga bata, which is the tutoring sa mga bata na naa sa atong community.
Yes, thank you.
Answer, Michelle. Yes. Joe.
Sure.
Naas, Mr. Lito.
Ito.
Ako na daw.
Paminaw mo.
Conclusion ng during
Eh.
So, wala ko confused ako sa mga bata. Kanang poster pattern. Unsa na to pag kanang poster pattern kaning atong dili. Unsa na to pag kanang sa poster pattern which is kaning unsa na to pag in charge usa ka eskwelahan para maka
Communication. Dito na musulod si open door pattern. Kay lahi-lahi man na siya rin ka na open door pattern, na closed door pattern kung sa balance. So, si closed door, dito na siya barrier. So, si open door, dito na musulod si community. So, ang akong kuan is, katong sa open door, kukuhan siya dito sa open door pattern.
in what way?
Pattern to siya rin ka na, dito siya, ka na,
Usa pa sulod sa open door sa
Sige, sige.
So although the closed door pattern is that kanang dili siya yung nga closed good nga dili makakuan ang madili maapektuhan or makatabang ang community itself, but rather limited only. It is stated there nga limited ang involvement of the community or minimal. So when you say open door unsa pag sa to?
closed door pattern.
Unsa pag
So, communicate ka na sa kwan.
is kuan man nga closed door pattern mo to yung kagani na dili siya ingon nga walay communication or makatabang ang communities to the school but minimal. So dili na siya pasabot nga okay wala go na matabang ang community. That is why naa called the open door pattern as well as the balance pattern, which is the combination of the closed door pattern and the open door pattern, so that there should be a stronger connection between the school and the community.
Sige, Christian.
In what way naman siya limited ka? So, saan naman siya ways to intervene sa closed door pattern? Di ba, may mga surprise na limited na daw ang intervention sa closed door pattern, dili ko siya literal na wala. So, in what way naman siya naging limited ang intervention sa community sa closed door pattern? Naging sa naman, kasi activities ba, or sa mga type of involvement na ba?
So, sa'yo dahil mo hang idea na Christian. Si Rose.
Actually, kanang kay sa the closed door pattern kay kuan na siyang involvement and intervention ay katong ginawang grades which is minimal. So katong kuan ang community to kanang kasi tawag ni mo communicate sila sa school o kanang kuan kanang during kanang meeting na so walay kuan kayo interaction.
So, pag minimal involvement sa kanang meeting ra.
Kay minimal kasan so din sila kanang like sa open door na very open sila. Wala na question.
Wala na? Go.
So, I want an example sa mga curriculum development since use of community resources for learning.
Curriculum development is actually katong mga establish na sa school. Kaya di ba, di mo po kaganihan nga ang community keeps on evolving as well as our needs. So, ang curriculum, muhatag sila o kanang development, which is kanang, for example, kanang karon, kanang gikan sa K-12. So, ang K-12, noon naman ang K-12, kanang more updated, ni ko kung sila sa matratag. So, hindi lang ang curriculum, ilang defeat sa needs sa society or the community.
Pero hindi mo ng community ang matatag kay national case mo na. So, ang importante siguro sa curriculum development is using of localized instructions or instructional materials. Palitan. Sa atong discussion is like integration of indigenous materials present in the community so that mas meaningful siya and mas tolerant of students. So instead ng example kag apple, wala yung apple dito sa Napakaw, star apple na ha, kaya star apple yung tagpon, muna siya example yung star apple na mo sa
Localize.
magkaon ni, nana pa siya. At least man lang, mag-align siya, magpagkaon gihapon. Pero, in the context of locality and community, mga materials, ang
Sige, kinsa pa since we wala na day time. Sorry.
Pencil siya daw.
Sige. Next reporter, please proceed.
Di pa siya daw.
Ganito ko